Hi, yeah. It's Sunday, 4th of November. So this is a quick video for my DeLorean. So yeah, just sorted out the fuel system underneath there. Basically, the one-way valve on top of the brand new fuel pump was actually sort of seized in place. So in the end, I had to just push it up, quite hard actually with an Allen key to unseize the ball, and then that went freely. So that was all good. And at the back here, I removed off all the inlet system underneath here, the horns, etc. Cleaned all of this, removed the fuel distributor, all of the pipes, obviously labelled them up, cleaned them all, new washers underneath, removed the injectors, again cleaned them out, one wasn't working, spark plugs, new spark plugs in. It's obviously much easier with all of this sort of stuff off. Checked out the distributor cap, the rotor arm, cleaned all that up as necessary. I'm probably going to replace some of that. New fuel filter underneath, because they wash through all the crap, and there's a lot of crud in there from 10 years of not being started. So yeah, and had its first start earlier, so I'm just going to see if it plays ball for the camera. So idle is very, very high. Obviously, I've only had it on for literally a minute. I think that's enough. Just stand over here. So yeah, and obviously that alarms is the door alarm. So at least it works. But obviously, as you can see, the idle is about 3,000 RPM. But I haven't specifically checked things like vacuum hoses or done anything else to it yet. But obviously, there's some clearly some adjustment required. So I wouldn't mind getting it down actually to a more manageable level. So obviously, that's quite noisy for neighbours and everything else. There we go, that's it so far.